ground, putting it down. Get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling researcher Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank all of you that have held in there with me over the last several weeks. You know, I haven't done a lot of shows because I've been on the IR and it's been tough. I'm recovering and from my situation, and uh, I'm going to be better and stronger in due time. You guys know I'm not 25 anymore, so it takes a while to get things together once you take a hit, per se. But it's all positive and all good. But I want to start this show today. As you know, this group is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. Some of my words are even slurred, coming out crazy. But anyway, I'm going to do this because one of my best friends, Ron Jones, my far brother, my big far brother Anthony Jones, John Jones, Danetta Mark, the whole family, Mr. Jones. I want to give our heartfelt condolences to the family as they've lost Miss Jones. Mama, she was quite a person. She was great. She came out to even the last time I visited with her was maybe a few years ago. I've known her ever since I was a child. So my condolences to the entire family. Also, we lost another far brother uh, that wasn't Virgil was he was like he was a little brother, but he was a big brother to everybody. You know, he was a really great person, and we're going to definitely miss him. And also, Frank has lost his mom also. So Frank, our family, condolences go out to you, and hopefully you and your family will find some strength and energy, and you will get over this situation with your mom. Our deepest condolences to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. The stock market, as we talk about, is a small thing compared to other things in our lives. But we do have a financial show, and we'll talk a little bit about two baby knockouts, two silver baby knockouts that I think you can hold on to for life. Now, when I say for life, I don't mean forever. I mean during this life cycle of these precious metals going up. And we'll have guests on. And you can look at the video at Mish Snyder at one of the Money Show conferences there. We'll also have our resident precious metal specialist, Lawrence Stripling. He will be by to let us know what's going on. But this is one of his stocks on here that I'm going to show you here. One of the stocks that he likes. But we will go ahead and take a look here at those stocks, ladies and gentlemen. Without further ado, let's take a look right now. Make sure you hit like, share, and subscribe. Also, ladies and gentlemen, we'd love to help the algorithm, and it'll keep things going here. Oh, one of the stocks that Lawrence Stripling, our precious metals specialist, has been talking about over the last year or so, and he really liked it at 45, 50 cents. He said it was going much higher. Is Avino silver and gold mines. They have a long checkered history of doing the right thing, of being a decent company. And we believe that when the dust is settled, they're going to be there. They're going to be a company that is going to be one of the companies that we can that will we can stick with throughout the life of the cycle. ladies and gentlemen. No problem. No problem with Avino. Avino, unfortunately, is not uh, 50 cents anymore. It has gone up. Avino now is $1.39 USD. So it has crossed over. This is the last call on Avino at under a dollar, ladies and gentlemen. So what that means when we do our last call, what, blanked out on me here, Junior. What's going on here? When we do our last call on these stocks, and we say under a dollar, what we mean is Avino right now will probably, it has a possibility of going up to 140, 150, coming back down and maybe testing that dollar around a 200-day moving average and then going really flying back up. Now, it may or may not do that. But if you're not in right now, we don't chase them, we replace them. So Avino right now is a stock that we're holding on to, and we're going to add on pullbacks. Like I said, baby knockout, uh, scoop investors, you should already, if you're investing for life, you should already be in this stock at 45, 50, 55, 60 cents or so. You should have had purchased most of your shares. If you didn't, then you're not in this trade, so don't worry about it. But we should go up and maybe come back down. We'll have maybe a good week or two or what have you, and let's see if we retrace back, and we'll be in the ball game there. But we do like this stock a lot, and it has a lot going on, a lot for itself. Avino Silver, and you can go to their website. It's got all their quarterly results. In fact, they have a call here coming up. Was it today or tomorrow or so? They've got some stuff coming up here with their earnings. Keep an eye on their earnings. If they disappoint, it might go down, and you might have a chance to pick up some shares. Um, but you can go to their website. You can take a look. You can view some things. You can take a look at their vision, what they got going on, and all that. You can get all the information at their website. So that's Avino, silver and gold. Uh, Ticker symbol ASM, New York Stock Exchange. ASM CA. It's trading now $1.37 USD. So $1.39 after hours on $1.39 or so. Just think of round it off to $1.40, guys. You see $1.40, US $1.40, and it's good to go. That's a Vino silver and gold. Last call at under a dollar. The next stock that we think you can hold on to, and it's going to do you well through this cycle, is Discovery Silver. Now, unlike Avino right now, which is making income from production, Discovery has a large project. Now, this project is in Mexico, and they're waiting. It should be getting. They're trading like they're going to be getting a permit soon to get started down there. But in the meantime, they have bought another complex. They got another acquisition of another spot that is going to be making them all kinds of money. But this Cordero right here is their uh, big project here. It's a big project in Mexico, and they do have a feasibility study on that. Now, I won't bore you with all that information, but their recent feasibility study, 43101, their disclosure, it looks really really good. Large scale production, 37 million ounces produced annually, years 1 through 8. profitability years 1 through we're at 12. I mean, go. And, I mean, these are numbers to Google. To got Google about NPV 5% or 1.2 billion. These are good numbers. Long time, 19-year mine life. These are good. Low capital. These are really good numbers, ladies and gentlemen. So we expect this cycle, we think that, and this is all based on $22 silver price. We think that if the silver price goes up to 30 and 40, 45, 50, some people expect to go up much higher. But if it goes up anywhere near that area and they get their permit, they're going to be they're going to be in fantastic shape. You guys can read through all their uh, the reserve study and just a lot of information. There'll be a lot of information for you. Their feasibility study. You can read through all that. I say reserve study. That's HOA talk, man. Homeowners association. That's real estate talk, Mickey. Mickey D. It's real estate talk, uh, not stock talk. Sometimes you get them mixed up. You do so much talk, but we expect this stock to do very well in the long run, ladies and gentlemen. In the long run, let's take a look at the chart here. Discovery Silver. Let's go back a little. What was Discovery Silver when we looked at Discovery Silver just we looked at it just a couple months ago or so, or a month ago or so. What was it? That's where it was right there. It was 62 cents Canadian. That's roughly 44 cents USD. So that was after it took that big smash down. And I came on the air really and told you guys, hey, Discovery Silver now has taken its, hit. And let's go ahead and add some additional shares since it's taken its nice hit. Um, and it was just on the hit was on information coming out of Mexico, uh, innuendo, rumors, and all that stuff that open pit mining was going to be banned. So that's what was going on there. That's why it took such a big hit. But it's not so much how you fall; it's how you get back up. And right now, Discovery is back up on his feet here a little bit, especially after an acquisition, after picking up another company. So a producer, but Porcupine there, So it's crossed over and it's really on its way. Last call also for Discovery Silver. We expect Discovery Silver to go up. It may go up a little bit more. We expect it to correct, come down, maybe challenge $1 or so, and you might have a chance to get back in under $1 and then back off to the races. So both of these companies are like in the same area right now. I would say Discovery Silver at roughly $1.34. We like them both at 45, 50 cents or so. That's when we really piled in on both of these stocks on Discovery and Avino. Both are kind of, you know, we anticipate going up like with the Vino, and then hopefully it can come back down. And some of you guys that aren't in right now, you can get into a Vino at under $1. It's the last call though. We don't expect uh, super weakness, especially with what's going on in the world right now. You guys know there's so much stuff going on, and chaos and gold and silver. As Mitch told us, they usually do kind of pretty good when you have all these. And I don't see any of this stuff easing up in the next, months. And I don't see this. I don't see anything easing up. I just see a lot of chaos, especially when it comes to America and the foreign policy and the tariffs and the different things. I just see a lot of chaos out there. So we'll see, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna switch this thing around here, but that's the Avino we like, and a Discovery we like also for the lifetime of this particular bull run. Like I said, maybe 6 months. We may have a correction and we may go up for the next 2 years, 3 years. Who knows? But Discovery and Avino are ones that we baby knockouts that we're gonna hold on to. That's not the first time you heard of these things. In Lawrence Stripling's book, uh, Silver Basics for New Investors, you know, uh, he's talking about the silver, coming, and he's even talking about a lot of the silver coins, and he's been going out and going to the some of the silver shops and everything, and he says, it's tough out there. Things are. He'll be giving us a bird's eye view here shortly, but he's been telling us it's different. The market is changing out there. Also, things are happening. So that's what he's been saying. So uh, that, along with junior silver mining stocks ready to explode, possible 1,000% gains. That's out there. Oh, both of these on Amazon.com. You get the audiobook, paperback book, or the ebook. There's a lot of stuff out there, ladies and gentlemen. But it's silver time. It's gold time. It's go, 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 go. You ball, you get the call. Is that what one primetime Deion Sanders says? You ball, you get the call. And right now, gold and silver are balling, ladies and gentlemen. They're doing very, very well. Along with, we're getting ready to our rare earth trade. Don't discount the rare earths, baby, because we're right there. We were right there. Remember when they what was it, 5 years ago, when we were out at the stadium, the Allegiant Stadium, and they were slowed down by some of the magnets and some of the metal that they needed because of a slowdown in China. Well, China has said, no mas, no mas. So some of the stocks that we keyed in then are, in play now. So read your baby knockout newsletter. You'll be getting an update also here. Read your gold and silver update, and it's all there, ladies and gentlemen. It's all there. So let me turn this around here, and it's all. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me once again. Make sure you hit like, share, and subscribe. Um, and once again, shout out to the Jones family. Condolences to them and Frank and Virgil and his family. Ladies and gentlemen, we God bless them, and we wish them well. We're not hiding these stocks. We don't chase these stocks. We don't chase them. We replace them. As you guys know, Invest in Gold Today Without Being Cheated is out there right now on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, paperback book, or the ebook. These little books, ladies and gentlemen, they have the stocks in them. They have the baby knockouts in them. Silver investing in the silver state, you know, it's there. Nevada mining companies ready to shine. It's on Amazon.com. Sure, okay, ladies and gentlemen, I've been doing this for a very, very long time. I have people that are going to follow me for a very, very long. Anonymous people that'll put, online now. Everything you can hide. You put something in there, and you give them a bad review, or you can't say a certain stock didn't go up because you never read the book, and you don't know what stocks went up and what stocks went down. So you just, I have enemies, haters. So never mind what they write on some site or something. Get these books for yourself. Junior Silver Mining Stocks Ready to Explode, possible 1,000% gains, and then see if you've made any money. You know, by you get us. Let's face it, ladies and gentlemen. During the other times that we have when we do our advanced research, and we've been waiting 5 years for this. I mean, it's not like there's a stock in here where there's nothing there. And I showed you two of the stocks that are in these books that we've been waiting for like 5 years. So literally waiting for 5 years for them to go ahead and do their thing. But the time is now. It's that time. Like I said, like uh, the coach would say, Coach Prime, you ball, you get the call right now. And junior silver mining stocks, junior uh, gold stocks right now, even the majors. I've got majors listed in there also. It's their time. It's their time, ladies and gentlemen. For I think for $30, $40 or whatever, you can get all three of those books. And the stocks are listed in there. You can pay somebody $20,000. You can do whatever you want to do, but I'm not here to, I'm just here. I'm paying this forward. That's what I'm doing, ladies and gentlemen. But thank you once again for joining me. It's been a challenging time. I know some friends, it's been a challenging time in their life, and just look up for strength, ladies and gentlemen. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family.